my name is Francesca, and I am a student of Professor Cabral. I am taking his Astronomy 10 class on Thursday nights from 7 to 9:50 for the spring semester of 2017. I am here to discuss a little bit of how I understood the specific topics of diversity and global interdependence, especially when taking this class from Los Medanos College. Now, there are a couple things I wanted to discuss with this. For one, astronomy with this topic in particular, we studied stars and the historical significance that it has for us human beings here on Earth. Now, doing very reports of stars itself, I learned how important the study of stars are in understanding the study of life. Study of life meaning the present life, so all the life that we see here on Earth, the past life, and also future life. So how also we'll understand the existence of Earth will continue and the potential capacity that the rest of the universe can have for life itself. Um, with life, I'm very enthusiastic about the study of life because of how we study science and how much it's progressed, just how the study of life is progressing and the idea of evolution instilled in my mind. So, along with these topics, there are many other topics that I have, especially when taking this Astronomy 10 class that have instilled in my mind. So, first of all, I wanted to state how amazing it is to think how science progressed and leave that historical significance within all of us. Now, for example, I mentioned some stars before. What I wanted to say specifically about them is how, especially with their importance of this regarding the study of life, they've been important to the people for many, many years, and even many years before the invention or the discovery of the telescope happened. Stars were used within many groups of people to create stories as a cultural part of their society, and it marked many traditions and has influenced many aspects of life within our present days. And also, I'm sure it will inspire future parts as well. Many years before then, also maybe when the telescope, maybe around the time the telescope has been discovered, and before and after then, stars were also used for navigation. So people noticed that stars stayed in place in the sky. So with that idea, with that information, it was used to leave a mark of where they were in the world. Because the world, even especially in the ocean, as navigations were very much used by sailors and voyagers within the vast, vast ocean, it helped these people figure out where they were exactly in the world. And maybe they've been in a new place, maybe they've been in this place before in particular, or they are on their way to discover a new world or a new place in our one world. Now, I also wanted to speak about the STEM field, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, and how important it is to involve all genders. So, meaning people of different gender, people of different ages, people of different ethnic backgrounds. Like I said before, it's very amazing to see how well science has progressed in the world, but I know that we still are facing issues regarding this topic. We've learned that women in particular are a very big part to the progression of science and how well it has like I mentioned progressed, how well it's been getting. But of course, it's not a one gender thing. It's not just a man's job. Women are very much capable of doing it. Now, this is an issue that has been discussed, and although it's being discussed, it's not necessarily been improving, maybe little by little, but it's important that this is an issue that we must all understand and realize so that it can not be an issue anymore. Women are very much capable of doing things that men could, as you know, before they were very much known and characterized as a very hospitable nature, very caring and nurturing a person of nature. But with our times now and our independence mentality and our very human equality or gender equality mentality, it's a good step to discuss this topic in classes, especially in STEM classes, so that we may little by little realize that we will be better and greater as we be equal to each other and practice this practice studying together with the idea of equality. Thank you.